Hello everyone, it's me, Mr. Shazwan here. This coming September, as the world comes together for International Childhood Cancer Awareness Month, we honor the brave young hearts represented by the gold ribbon. To join hands in spreading hope and care, we are deeply heartened to introduce our special gold ribbon gift set, featuring 3 boxes of Miracell under a special buy 2 free 1 offer for just 100 RV, available at our merchandise shop in Revoobit panel. Due to this bundle is created purely from the heart to support the spirit of giving. Please note that it is set up strictly as a non-commission and non-bonus initiative. Every set is simply our way of coming together, giving back, and sharing warmth with children fighting cancer around the world. You can pick up your set at our merchandise shop today. Maximum 3 sets per person. Let's stand together and make a meaningful difference this September. Be part of the world, love Volution.